What's up everybody, Rob here from the Basement Bike Shop, and in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of learning how to bunny hop like a champ. Now to get started, I always hear people say that you should learn to manual because that's the body position that you need to be in to bunny hop. And I think that's wrong. You snap the bike up the same way, but I think the body position that you need to be in is a lot more upright. You don't want to be leaning back as far as you are in a manual. So you can see by the difference in my body positioning that in a bunny hop I'm going to be a little more upright. So instead of a manual, practice bringing the bike more up into you and getting your body more straight up and down. That's going to prepare you more for the hop that comes next. Ooh, that one got away from me a little bit. Next we're going to add a little hop. So as you pull the bike up, before you reach the peak, you're going to jump a little bit off the back tire and push the bike forward with your hands. It's going to be one smooth motion, but to break it down, knees bent as you pull the bike up. As you straighten your legs, you're actually going to be jumping and then pushing the bike forward and then landing. Altogether, it's going to be something like this. And then you're just going to keep practicing that. Then just go a little bit bigger each time at the rate that you're comfortable with. You can build like a bunny hop limbo type stand. I used to just take empty soda cans, put them in a line and jump over it, and then I'd stack another layer on top of it. That way if you do crash through it, it doesn't do any damage or hurt you. Remember that whenever learning a trick for the first time, it's always a good idea to wear a helmet and protective gear just for your own safety. And that wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button and I'll keep these videos coming. Join me next week when I show you how to do not that trick, but the 360 tail tap or pivoting bunny hop. Thanks for watching.